Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Patrick Juntak and this is my co-host.
Torino right here.
And today we'll be presenting to you a new recipe, which is avocado tortilla soup. I hope you enjoy it and be able to follow it and create it in your home. Okay, right now we have completed the avocado tortilla soup. We will do a taste demonstration now. Just testing, so go ahead. And that is pretty much ready. And as you can see there, you put the soup, tortilla chips, with some cheese, and of course you put it up. Okay, so you can use this by hand, or obviously you can also use a spoon. Where is a spoon?
All right. Try this one.
Well, so it is delicious. So you should really try it at home and create your own. It is very easy to do. We'll provide you all the instructions and all the ingredients on how to make the avocado tortilla soup, and hopefully you can follow along what we've done today, and you can enjoy it at home. And this is great for parties or even meal for the family. Okay, so thank you for tuning in our YouTube channel, and subscribe and like it, as well as follow us along for new upcoming videos. Okay.